Push it in, push it out, turn the fingers in toward you, push in, down, and up. So again, it's through, up, out, and as you rotate in, a lot of dynamic pressure, pushing in and pushing out. Turn the fingers in, stretch the wrist, down, up, and back forward. Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel. Everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is the second from our Chinese 9 power development exercise. It's called Tiger Claws Turn In. But before we get there, I need you to go over to the boxes, click the like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support and have a great day. So this one comes directly from the Iron Vest training technique. It's called Tiger Turns Its Claws Over. So with this, what I want you to do is we'll start with 10 repetitions, and then ideally you want to work this to 36 repetitions. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to come out, bring it across, and we're going to open up the tiger claws. Nice, strong tension here. We're going to rotate out, and then as we rotate, we're going to take the fingers and press the knuckles against each other. Push it in, push it out, turn the fingers in toward you, push in, down, and up. So again, it's through, up, out, and as you rotate in, a lot of dynamic pressure, pushing in and pushing out. Turn the fingers in, stretch the wrist, down, up, and back forward. And then with the tension, you can put a little bit more speed into it from here. Dynamic tension, come back in, shoot it down, press it up. Come in, form the tiger claws, squeeze down, squeeze in, out, rotate down, and up. So what you want to do is, again, when you first start the program, if you're doing all of the 9 exercises, start with 10 reps, work your way to 36 repetitions.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.